The alarm again go off again. Okay, never mind. So I borrowed a lens from Sony here. So I'm going to take my A7S3. So sorry, come again. This is a borrowed lens. Okay, so there she are, and she's the one who called me to pick up my camera. And so where's my S3? Okay, so it comes with the bags. Okay, you got one bag over here, which is free by Sony. Then you have a A7S3. So over here, if you have pre-order, what you have is a battery, extra battery, and a V90 tough card, which is have a 64 gig. So actually I want to do the unboxings over here, but seems like they're closing down. I'm very happy I got the camera before they're closing down again, lockdown again. So thanks a lot. Thank you for calling for me. So I will do some checking. I will do the unboxing later on. Okay, see you guys. Bye. Hey guys, I'm back home. So what you just saw just now is where I took my A7S3 at Sony Central, the Curve. So before I do the unboxing, I want to thanks to my friend Joon Hao that helped me out on this deal and helped me out to get this A7S3. So this is my first full frame camera. So what you're watching right now is I'm recording at the A6400 and I'm using a Ronin Gimbal S, and this is shoot by myself only. And try not to ask why this is the shoot master class. So this is one of the classes I attend. So if you want to know about Joon Hao, do follow him in Instagram and look at his picture. He's an alpha guru. Thanks to him, and I got the Sony A7S3. And thanks to Sony Malaysia as well, helped me get the A7S3 as soon as possible. I know there's a lot of unboxing video already did in the YouTube, but in Malaysia this is the one of the 5 unit sent to consumer. So let's have it right here. So now the unit is over here with me, the A7. Okay, one thing good about Sony Malaysia, if you purchase with them, you do have a pre-order, you have a battery over here, and you also get a tough card, which is a 64 gig tough card, which rated as V90. So you can use this record anything else in your A7S3. Now let's go, let's do it. A7S3 baby. Oh man, this is heavy. This is much more heavy than my A6400. Okay, what we have now is I already cut out the seal over here. Then let's do the unboxing. Maybe I turn a bit over here. Then let me try to move it down slightly a bit here. Let's do the unboxing. So what you have here is the box is like that. Let me tune down a bit for you guys. Okay, oh, bro, no, go back up. These things. Okay. So one-man show shooting is not easy. First, you're invited with tons of reading materials. This is an instruction manual. I do urge you to read all the menus if you have your time. Try to know your camera, because most of the thing it will tell you how to operate a camera. So do use your manual book. Next things over here is you do have a cable for the Type-C charging, and quite solid cables. Let's put aside. And I presume this is the HDMI clamp. Okay, by the way, it's very hot in my room and this light is very hot also. Oh, you do have a HDMI. Maybe I put it over here. You have a HDMI and you have all those multi-ports and USB Type-C. So you put in here, it won't break your thing. Quite neat. Nice touch, Sony, on this. It's quite useful. So no more cable breaks. Now into the boxes here. So sorry, I don't have a top-down camera, so I only have one camera. I don't have a more setup. what you have here is your A7S3 strap. Anything behind there? Nope. That's it. Then you have here is charger, NIT S6400. You didn't get that for that things. Your batteries. There you go. I presume also nothing else. Then that's the chargers over here. You can see all the chargers. Cable plug, the 3-pin prong, and those 2-pin. So much in anywhere else you can use it for sure. You go any country, but mostly Malaysia use a 3-pin. So what I mentioned is this is one of the 5 units that we have in Malaysia. Now the meat, the camera. Okay, there you have it. Oh my gosh, this is actually the same unit. So this is the unit A7S. You can see. Please focus it, focus it. Come on, come on. You can do it. Okay, never mind. Whew. So this is the unit what you have here, and ta-da, the 5th screen. Yeah, the most I like it about this thing, the new features that I put in is this thing is no longer have sound. So okay, what I did for my A7S3, let's put this aside. I have brought a case for this A7S3 and this so-called hand strap, so I can hold my camera like this. But usually, most of the time, I think I will use it on a gimbal for that. So that's my unboxing video. I'm done it. And so if you have any question about this camera, you would like to ask what the features looks like, I think the features and the spec, you do have a lot already in the internet and YouTube, I think. So if you have special question that you would like to ask me about, please do feel free to drop me a comment down below, and I try to answer you, or maybe I just do a video for you about that particular features. So thanks for watching. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you very much, and I will see you in the next video, and let's try this camera there. See you guys next time. Stay tuned. I'm Davis here, tuning off. Bye.